guys, what's up? It's Alyssa and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you what I got in my Ipsy bag for April. I just got it in the mail today and I just figured I would make this video as soon as possible just so I could show you guys what I got. If you don't already know, Ipsy is a $10 month subscription and you get up to 5 beauty items each month based on a personalized quiz. Before we get into it, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. It's free and it would mean a lot to me. So, let's open it up. So this month, I didn't pick any add-ons. There was actually a lot of really cool add-ons I could have, added to my Ipsy bag for an additional price. But I am on a budget right now, so I'm going to try and cut back whenever I can. So, ooh, I feel something first that's not in the bag. Ooh! Okay, this is a brush. FirmaBeauty.com. Firma, this is a 103 brush. This is an angled brush. Oh, it feels, I'm not really sure. It feels kind of cheap, but at the same time, it's really soft, and I could always use more brushes. This actually might be good to contour with, you know? Like chisel it. You could even probably use this to do a little nose contour. This is cute, so I'm going to put that with my brushes. And let's see what the bag is. Ooh, this is cute. This is bigger than our usual Ipsy bags, I feel. So it's yellow with white. It's like lemony. Are these lemons? Yeah, lemons. These are lemons, and it has like a little yellow zipper. Let's open it. Okay. First thing we got is from The Balm. This is The Balm Jour Creamy Lip Stain in the shade Namaste, I guess. Oh, okay, let's see. Let's give it a little swatch. It looks pink. Ooh, okay. Huh. So it looks kind of like this. It's kind of like a pink mauve. I actually want to put this on right over what I have now. I kind of like it. Ooh, I like the formula. It's really creamy. I actually really like it. Nice. That's definitely a color I would use. Cool. It's kind of small though, the sample, but that's okay. So we got that. Let's see what we got up next. So we got from Ico London. This is the Black Magic Liquid Eyeliner. Ooh, okay. This is nice. I could always use like a new black liner. That is really cool. I think my friend actually received this one in her Ipsy and she said that she liked it. Or it might have been a different one from this brand, but I think this brand makes really good eyeliners. It's not really bleeding, but looks nice. I could always use a new liner. Let's see what we got next. Ooh, this is from Tarte. This is the base tape. So this is, I guess, their new primer for the new Shape Tape foundation. So it's a hydrating primer. This is a good sample size. Let's just give it a little swatch. So it comes out white. Oh, it's very milky and very hydrating. I could always use a new primer. Nice, I like that. So maybe I could use this on like places that get a little bit more dry in combination with like a pore filling primer. Let's see what we got next. I think this is the last item. Wait, first we got this. And it says, build your dream bag. Get any glam bag product you want. What? I guess that's new. So this tells you everything that's in the bag. And last, we got a nourishing mask from the brand Apto, A-P-T-O Skincare. I've never heard of this brand. I've never even seen a blue mask before, so that's kind of cool. Little seal on it. And we'll just take a little peek at it. Ooh, very nice. I don't know if this is a mud mask. What is this? It just says nourishing. That smells really good. That smells like lavender. Ooh, it says for dry skin. Nice. Okay, yeah, cool. So I'm definitely excited to try this. I really love trying new masks. I mask like 2 to 3 times a week, so I'm excited to try this. So that's all we got. So let's see. We got the mask, the liner, the lip stain, the primer, and a new brush. For 10 bucks, how do I feel? I guess this is a good value. I mean, getting a brush really always bumps up the value for me. But these samples are kind of small. What do you expect? What do you think you're going to get for 10 bucks? I mean, this is not bad. I'm still going to keep my Ipsy because I love my Ipsy bag. But maybe next month I'll do another add-on. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. So yeah, that's it. What do you guys think about this bag? I guess it's alright. I'm excited to try the liner for sure. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you can see what I get next month, and the next month, and the next month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!